and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, you were asked to solve these two things in your journal.
Yes.
One, giving you word form, asking you to write in standard form. The other giving you standard form and asking you to write in word form. We'll go over these step by step. I do want you to not get panicky if you don't understand something or still not doing well at something, because we will continually spiral and review our information so you have no worries. You're going to get there eventually. Maybe not yet, but you will get there. All right, so we have this in word form, 3,018 and 318 thousandths. So here's our and. That tells us we are going to have a decimal point in this number. So our number has a decimal point. Now I'm just going to look at the information in front of the and. In front of the and. It says 3,018. So how many digits are going to be in front of the and? 4. 3,018. 3,018. Since it says 3,000, that tells us we have to have 4 digits in front of the decimal point. Now, Layla, how would I write 3,018? Obviously going to be a 3 in the thousands place, right? Good. 0. And then 18. That is 3,018. And 318 thousandths. 318 thousandths. Down. How many digits behind my decimal point?
3.
3. Because we have the tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So now all I got to do is look at this part and figure out how to write 318. Dallin, can you help me write 318?
3.
Okay.
1.
Yep.
8.
8. Piece of cake, easy peasy, raw chicken squeezy. I advise you not to eat raw chicken squeezies because you might get salmon or salmonella, or I don't know what it's called. All right, so now we have a number written in standard form. We're going to write it in word form. We are going to look in front of the decimal point. So we are just looking at these 3 numbers. Isabella, if you had this much money, how much do you have? No, just the underlined portion. 860. Awesome sauce. Now, you want to break it up as you're writing it in any form. If you break it into parts, it makes it easier instead of trying to look at it all at one time. It's like building a house, Juliet. You don't just start building the whole thing. You got to do it a piece at a time. So we're looking at a piece at a time. Come on, Juliet. Get with the program. Jason,
Yes.
what do we say when we get to the decimal point?
And.
Now, all we're looking at are those 3 numbers. Michael, how would you say those 3 numbers? Michael C., how would you say those 3 numbers?
2 tenths.
No, not 2 tenths. Just read the whole thing. I have this number. What is this number?
209.
209. Okay, so we broke it into 3 parts so far. In front of the decimal point, behind the decimal point. Now, Kaylin, I need to know what this last place value is. What place value is the 9 in?
100. Oh, wait, no. Thousands.
Thousandths. 860 and 209 thousandths. Rock on, people. You're simply the best. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, please subscribe because I would really love to be rich.